Salve German learner, Michael here. Hope you're doing well. I am looking for 5 women that are interested in joining my year-long German group coaching program that will be available completely for free for them. Let me quickly describe what's contained in the program before going into the specifics of what is required and how to apply. For the duration of 1 year, you promise to work 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. You choose the days with one of my German online courses. They are available for free, at least from A1 to B2. So you could work with them already, whether you're part of this project or not. On top of that, you would meet once a week with me and the group in a video call. You can turn off your video, I don't mind, but I need to hear your voice. We will work on things that are difficult for you. We will optimize your learning process as well. This will benefit your motivation greatly. Yeah. So I will aim at making you a more independent, more efficient German learner, or language learner for that matter. On top of that, you would share your progress, your problems, and your questions in our common WhatsApp group, which I will deliver support via for 5 days a week as well. Yeah? I'll also take 2 days off possibly here and there. And this is all that is contained. We'll do so for a full year. That means 40 group sessions. Now, there's a couple of requirements, as you might have heard. It's for women. And one of these women should be of Muslim faith. Why that is, I'll go into in a second. This is obviously a project that has a high value. Yeah, normally you pay 250 euro per month for a German group course. So you can calculate that. That's roughly 3K a year. And on top of that, my private lessons cost €100 an hour. So that's another 4K in value. So we're speaking of roughly 7,000 euro of value. And that means if you can afford something like this, or if you even can afford local language courses or a tutor, please pay for it. Yeah, support your local tutor, your local school, support any other language school in Berlin. I don't mind. This is for so-called underprivileged women, women that couldn't afford any German training where they are. No? If you're already an advanced learner, let's say you have finished B1, actually you are already well into B2 and higher, please do not apply. We focus on beginners. So A1, A2, B1 is fine. So on your way to B2, I'm happy to support you with this. And of course, you need to be committed. Yeah? If you're not committed to this, you're taking away a valuable opportunity from someone else. Please don't do that. And committed means you promise to participate 80%, meaning 80% of our group sessions and 80% of your daily work. Yeah? By the way, the 1 hour a day, that's only a minimum. If you want to work 2 or 3 a day, that's fine, but we will talk about this and optimize that together. Yeah? These are the requirements. If you miss one of these requirements, please do not apply. You can work with my A1 to B2 courses for free on your own, and if you need a bit of support from me, you can book a very cheap, very affordable subscription. Yeah? And I provide a different sort of support, but still sufficient for most learners. So why am I doing this? Well, I got approached a while back by a former Smarter German student, and she's a woman of Muslim faith. And she was very fortunate and thankful for all the support she has received in her life, and she wants to give something back. It's also part of her religion to give something back. And she approached me, said, Michael, I want to spend 2,000 euro and to support underprivileged women. And I said, oh, I like that idea, but let's make this a little bit more juicy. So I matched the 2,000 euro and said, okay, I will put in the same as you do, and we ended up with 40 sessions of group coaching. Yeah. Initially it was one-on-one, but I thought, well, let's really help 5 people. It's better than helping one person, right? So this is why we ended with this project as it is. So this is giving back. Also for me, I get paid, of course, but I take half of what I usually take. Yeah. And my courses are available for free, so I need to make some money to survive. So this is absolutely in range of what I do. Now, how can you apply? You can apply, first of all, until when can you apply? You can apply until the 24th of May. And we will start on the 1st of July. So we have a little bit of wiggle room to prepare, yeah, and to communicate. No rush. 1st of July, 12 months to go. And you apply via my homepage. You Google Smarter German, or you look in the description of this video, and you will find my homepage. And there is a little bot somewhere, how can I help? And there you find a contact button. Share with me why you want to participate. Yeah, sure, it's free, that's a good reason, but that you can skip, because I know that's always a reason. But why do you want to participate? What do you love about the German language? What do you love about the Germans? German culture? Maybe. I hope you love them. Yeah. If you don't know what you love yet, also fine. Just write, I'm curious. I want to learn a new language. Your motivation isn't too crucial as long as I can see you put in effort into your application, because this is a year-long project and it takes effort and it takes commitment, and that shows in the very first contact you have with me. So show that you're willing to give your 80%, if not more. Yeah, don't overdo it. Don't oversell yourself. Be honest. Share simply with me who you are. And I'll have to make a difficult decision at one point. And yeah, a bit of luck is needed. But if you don't get in, don't be disappointed. Yeah, I'm not sure whether I will make another project like this, but you can work with my free courses already. And if you need a bit of support, you can, as I say, get it for as little as €10 a month, yeah, with a support membership. And you would support other people that cannot afford any of that, because I need to make some money to keep my courses free. I hope you like this project and you want to support it by sharing it with the world. Yeah, if it's not eligible, like if you are not eligible, maybe you know someone. If I forgot something, if you have any further questions, just drop them in the comments below and we take it from there. That's about it. I wish you a beautiful day ahead, yeah, or good night, depends on when you watch this. And I'm looking forward to working with you, yeah, one way or the other. Take care and see you soon.